Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for those who have subscribed, liked and shared. I much appreciate it. And for those who are watching for the first time, please click that like button and that share button and that subscribe button. Tell a friend and tell a friend. And regardless of what we're going through, always remember, with Christ in the vessel, we can smile at any storm and we shall become victorious. Let us watch my video. So let's go ahead and watch our video and see the wonderful adventure that I had the other day going to Springbank. And so this river is in St. Thomas. So let's go guys, let's go watching. A small community. Jenny on the beat, boy. The rural part. Well, we're heading to the river now. If you listen carefully, you hear the river down below. This is precipice, people. Precipice. This is a track. And I'm afraid of heights. I'm walking away from this. We get to apple now? Where is the apple tree? Not in there, man. Apple. Oh no. The female one. People apple up in the tree. Yeah, it's the apple tree. You see them? the journey down is a little task, but it was worth it. This big stone, it was all worth it. The water is pretty. Gotcha. Checking our pet. There he goes, Michael Phelps. Yes. Gone 2 minutes already. Not even 2 minutes ago that I start blow. Apple tree. Apple tree. Apple. Under the apple tree. Under the apple tree picking. And eating. Yeah, no.
Jimmy on the beat, boy.
Nerves. So if you have a nerve problem and you can't sleep at night, you can pick some soursop leaf and drink instead of going to the doctor and get medication. Just drink some soursop.
Thank you guys for coming on my
lovely trip. It was a relaxing, fun, wonderful day. Scenery beautiful as always. So remember, guys, to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on my next journey. God bless. Peace.